This week we finished painting the cabinets. So everything is spray painted with pure white, alabaster in molding, and shiitake color in the peninsula. We also painted the cabinet here in the laundry. It's just that here, instead of being a drawer, it's gonna be two doors because we have the bifold door going on, and there's not gonna be a space for that drawer to open. We also painted the closet here, and we're gonna come back and finish some of the details later on so that everything is perfect. And lastly is this cabinet in the master bathroom. It's one piece with one dummy door and two functional doors. And we also need to install the shelves that go halfway through. So we couldn't do anything else besides painting just because of the smell of the chemicals that these guys were using. But next week, our plan is to continue with a countertop, quartz countertop, and hopefully we can also progress with the tiles that go in the backsplash and also a niche that goes over the range. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.